Hi guys, today I want to go over the Trimble Office Cleanup Utility, how to completely clean up the windows by installing Business Center. Personally, I like to just go into the uninstall or change programs under Windows and kind of scroll down and uninstall all the Trimble apps, which does a pretty good job. However, according to few of you, it does not clean up everything on your computer. So let's just quickly go through this. Here we got quite a bit of them, as you can see. The uninstall is pretty decent and fast, and so here is the Business Center. I'm just gonna hit uninstall. Apparently this way it doesn't clean up all the registry and everything. That's why Trimble has that Trimble Office Cleanup Utility. Right now, the April 2020 is available. That's supposed to clean up and the registry and everything and bring up the Windows to the pre-installation state. So let's see how this goes. So I'm just uninstalling Business Center. I think this is the biggest package out of all of them. As you could see, all the other ones were just quick and easy uninstall. Okay, we got Trimble Business Center help here. Now you have two ways of doing it. I like to do it this way for some reason. You can actually run the utility itself right away and it would take care of all the software for you. For some reason I'm just habit, right? So let's go. It doesn't take long to uninstall. Again, that depends on your speed of computer. I'm just gonna get rid of everything here. Just a few more to go. Here is the definition manager, and then we're gonna run the cleanup utility and see what it does after I uninstall everything, whether it's gonna find some extra bits and pieces which this Windows did not perform. Okay, this is the simulator. I want to keep that, and there is another one, the SES simulator and SiteWorks simulator. I'm gonna keep those. So I'm just gonna get rid of all the other ones which I do not really want. So here is product activation. There's a lot of these little utilities which data manager, they all have a specific task. Do you really need to install them? Not sure. So, and I just have the UAS master, and I think we should be done. So all I have left here is the 460 version 12.7 emulator, the SCS 900 and SiteWorks emulator. Everything else should be nicely cleaned up. So let's try and run the cleanup utility, and see what is it gonna do for us. So there's two options, advanced and quick. I'm just used to, look at this, how many. See, so the H key ones are the registries, and that was quick. Some fonts were deleted. Okay, he was looking for some uninstallers, lots of keys from the registry, as you can see, and there is a whole bunch of files there. So this brought up Windows to a nice clean slate. So when installing a new version, you won't have any leftovers from the previous version. Hope you like the video. Hit like and subscribe to our channel for another great videos. Link for the Trimble Office Cleanup Utility, April 2020, I'm gonna post in the article on our blog. So if you need that, you can just go there and click it. See you next video.